Hello, we're here today at SLE Equipment to look at this 6x12x2 dump trailer. This trailer is a Griffin trailer. Focus on the front coupler here. So we'll have our adjustable coupler, we'll have our safety chains, breakaway cable, and then the front box here, we'll have the battery, the remote power cable, and then the hydraulic fluid container. Take a look at the structure underneath the dump trailer here for you. As you'll see, the two hydraulic cylinder arms, all the support structure underneath. On the front we do have a spare tire mount. There is a safety bar that's located right here on the right hand side, alongside a step up for when the dump's down, so you can easily get in there if need be. You can see we've got ramps on the side for easier loading and unloading. The axles are 6 lug. The center caps do pop out for easy lube, so all you gotta do is take that rubber fitting off. Now with it being 6 lug, we are gonna see that these axles are 5,200 pound rated. The fenders on the trailers are diamond plate. We'll have this in the down position. We'll look at the gate a little further, that way it's a little bit easier to see. While it's in the down position here, we'll have D-rings there, one in the center, one on the left and right hand sides, and then one on the right there. Now the lights on the trailers are LED. We'll stove back around here. There is a locking pin that goes in the ramps to make sure they stay secure. So we'll come back to our box here. Now the remote does offer up and down functionality. So I'll put this down here. As you can see, it's notched out so you can put the power cables through. Or you can still close this lid. Now we'll bring it down. And there's their spare tire mount right there. These trailers can have tarp kits sold separately, or you can get us to put one on for you. You just have to add it to your order. It's a separate charge. Now going back around here, we do see our safety tape. These trailers do have the DOT lighting on them. Now that mechanism on the side I was telling you about to make sure this ramp stays in place. Take a look at it here. Look at the side. Now when that bar goes across, it'll lock up top, it'll lock up down low as well. Now it does have a hole in there, so if you want to throw a padlock on the back, you're more than welcome to, and you can. One's not provided with a trailer. Alright, well that'll be all I have to show today. If you have any questions for us, feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720. We'll be happy to assist you. Thank you and have a nice day.